Hello guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. Alright, so today we are going to be exploring how you can convert your wedding images into something very luxurious. Okay, so one of the biggest challenges we have in wedding shoots, especially if we have to do it in a studio setting, is that we want to transform the backdrop into maybe a luxurious wedding. We cannot do that because we cannot afford those luxury and all of that. So today we are going to be looking at how to use AI in combination with Photoshop, right? To transform your wedding backdrop, no matter where you shot it, unless you actually shot it in a very luxury place, to transform your wedding backdrop into something super amazing, right? You can transform it into a very luxury hotel. So today we are going to be, using AI to do all of that, and you are going to see how we are going to build it from scratch and up to the place where we get the result that we want. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get started. This is Photoshop, right? And the first thing we need to do is to make sure that our image is ready and our image is the way we want it to be for the generation we want to do. So the first thing you might want to do is to crop the picture. Look at my own image originally, right? Then I cropped it to give me a normal 4:5. Okay, so I think I went back like this. That was very simple. Press enter and your cropping is done. Just simple like that. So we're going to be working with this one and I'm going to be saving it right here. So I'm going to make a new folder here, wedding. We'll call this wedding and save it right inside so that we can be able to locate it when we want to use it. So with this done, get straight to your Chrome. So this is my Chrome right here, and I'm going to first of all start with ChatGPT. So what are we going to do with ChatGPT? Very simple. We are going to use it to generate the prompts that we need. Then we use Gemini AI, which is Nano Banana, to generate it the way we want it. Just that simple. All right, so to do that, I'm going to come over to my ChatGPT and I'm going to tell it, okay, so I need prompt for my wedding. The wedding was shot in a studio and I want you to put it in a cool hotel environment. I want you to add some lighting and all of that. So you just have to describe everything that you want. And so that the video won't be too long, we already have taken our time and generated it. So this is the prompt that we are going to be using. So it says specific Eco Hotel ballroom mat, mirrorless camera science. So we told it as well to, make sure that it was shot with a mirrorless camera and it has that color tone of a mirrorless camera. So once you have your own prompt generated, right, all you need to do is to come to the prompt and just copy it like this. So you have to copy it batch by batch. You copy the first one, Ctrl C, then you go to your Gemini AI, make sure you select your create image, press Ctrl V to paste it, press Shift Enter to bring down your cursor or your keyboard, then go back. Now you need to copy this part, the mirrorless camera color science critical. So we have to copy this one too. We come down here, we paste it, right? We also come to this part that says final quality control, do not remove. So we just copy that one also. Or rather, we'll just copy everything like this. No, sorry, we'll copy only this one. Go to Gemini AI, Shift Enter to bring it down, and paste. Then the last one, it says Pro Retoucher tip. If Nano still struggles, add this final line. So I don't want to find out. I'll just add it and paste it right there. Shift Enter, Ctrl V. Now it's time to bring in our image. Go to plus, go to upload file. Remember, we kept it in our download and it's in a folder called wedding. This folder, yeah. So click on it, go to open. It loads it right into our Gemini AI. So all we need to do now is press enter and it will do the match. Okay, we have it. You look at that. Imagine this is your own wedding suit. Man, this is beautiful. So if you are satisfied with the result, you can go ahead with it you are not satisfied, you make some adjustment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to also save this into the same folder where we kept the first one. So we'll still keep it here, right? Save it right here. Then once you save it, I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT. Then I'm going to paste all that prompt here. Watch what I'm doing. I'm going to paste, I've copied the prompt, click here to copy, then paste all that prompt, right? Now, tell it, give me the outdoor version. So I just want us to see the different version of the generation and see the one that we work for raw. So we need to open a new chat, come down here, give me the outdoor version. So it will analyze it and give us the one that will also work for an outdoor version, right? Okay, so said if you want, I can write a full AI ready prompt that you paste into Nano Banana image generator. Okay, so please do. So use us a proper prompt we can copy. Okay, so to copy it up like this, go back to our Nano Banana. I cannot really fast for the result ISWA will give us. Upload file. I think this was the one we generated. No. This is not what we need to upload. You to upload the original file. Upload. And send. So let's see what the outdoor version might do. All right, this is the outdoor version. My God, this is really beautiful. This is really beautiful. Except for the fact that we are noticing that our is changing the face of the model. That's the face of the couple. So I'm going to come right here, paste the link, right. Then I'm going to tell it, hold on. No need for that. Delete this. Let's get this out. Okay, so we're going to tell it, make sure it doesn't change my subject in any way. So this will make sure that it now gives us a prompt that will tell Nano Banana, do not make any changes to the couple, because if you look at the image, it's not exactly the same image we gave it that it gave back to us. So we're going to still copy the prompt like this, go back and regenerate it. It tells us how you do it until you get the result. So go to send and wait for it. Okay, this works perfectly well, but I do not really like the result. I prefer the first one. All right, so go back into Photoshop. So all we are going to do is we're going to go straight into the image we generated, take it right back into Photoshop, because of course you can't give it to your client like this. You notice the face, the quality, they are dropping and all of that. So what do you do when you bring it back into your Photoshop? First of all, I want to see what my color lookup is going to look like on the scene. So I want to have a very beautiful color grading on it. Okay, so first of all, let me blur the background. So I'll go to my filter, go to camera raw. So if you're not using a later version of Photoshop, this particular step may not work for you. So go to your lens blur. I'll just click on apply. So I want to blur the background a little so that I'll have some little bokeh effect, and of course the attention will be on my subject. What will happen? Okay, so I think this wouldn't work. We'll leave that for now. All right, so the next thing to do, remember we came here to upscale our image. We'll go to image, go to the image size, change your resolution to like 400. Then change your width to like 6,000. So once you do that, you will notice that the image gets blown up and the quality gets scaled up. Now you are ready to go. Your image is ready. All you need to do now is to export it out. Make sure you rename it. You wouldn't want your client to know that you generated their image using AI. Then press save. But before you do that, sorry, we forgot to remove this. Use your patch to remove this particular what is it called, logo down there. Then save it up. The number we'll call it ready. Save it as JPEG. Save. So once here, make sure you are using the highest quality available, which is 9.9. So originally when we came into Photoshop, it was just 1.2 MB, but now the file is up to 9.9 MB. And that is simply how you can transform a normal wedding image into something super professional. This is the before, this is the after. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. To make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you subscribe, click on the notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a new video. Until then, see you on the next one.